This is part 3 of the privacy and security series on your phone, and you'll find the previous parts in the video description and the pinned comment. If you're a YouTube user, I want to tell you there are settings running right now that collect your activity and use it, even if you don't notice. What's different here? The settings you're about to see won't empty your home page and won't ruin your recommendations, but they will clearly reduce tracking. Stay with me for a few minutes because these 3 must be changed before you use YouTube. First, turn off Ad Personalization. This setting allows YouTube and Google to build a complete profile of your interests to target you with ads. Steps: open Settings on your phone. Go to Google. Tap your email. Manage your Google account. Data and privacy. Ad Personalization. Turn the setting off. Why do this? Reduces the use of your activity for ads, does not affect recommendations. Your homepage stays normal. Second, turn off Autoplay. This feature automatically plays videos, and they get recorded as if you chose them. Steps: open YouTube. Profile picture. Settings. Playback. Autoplay. Turn off autoplay next video. Why do this? Prevents unintended views from being recorded. Reduces strange recommendations. Controls what YouTube understands about you. Third, restricted mode. This setting isn't only for filtering. It also changes the type of data YouTube relies on for recommendations. Steps: YouTube. Settings. General. Restricted mode. If on, YouTube filters content. If off, YouTube expands recommendations. Keep it off. Why is this important? Prevents unclear content filtering. Improves recommendations without extra tracking. Does not negatively affect the homepage. Gives more accurate suggestions based on your real choices. Finally, if this is your first time knowing these settings, write in the comments, "Did I know this or not?" And write Part 4. If you want the series to continue, there are much more powerful settings, but not many people know them. Like and subscribe, because the next video might completely change how you use YouTube.